Hi there, welcome back to another review video. This is Panos from the Greeks, and in this one we're gonna see together everything about Gateway, what it is, how much it costs, and also all the details from within the members area. This time we have put together a massive bundle of custom-made bonuses created especially for Gateway, and this is the first time that we are offering those bonuses, and it would probably be the last one also. You can find and claim those bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below in case you're watching this video on YouTube, and then picking up your Gateway copy by clicking on any of those green buttons on our bonus page. But first things first, what Gateway is all about. Gateway is a brand new method where you can make money on YouTube without showing your face on camera and also without the need to record your own voice. Yep, you've heard that right. It is the first time that I personally see such a powerful no face, no voice method for YouTube. And I know that you may think that you need tons of subscribers on your YouTube channel in order to make money. Nope, Robin has created a brand new channel from scratch for this method especially, and he has managed to rank videos for that channel as well besides his original channel. So there is proof, and there are also case studies within the members area, not just theories. Speaking of Robin Palmer, one of the creators of Gateway, I have the biggest proof that this guy knows really well what he's doing on YouTube, and he's the perfect person to learn how to make money on YouTube from. Want that proof? Let's open an incognito window and go over to YouTube. Let's search for the keywords lockdown formula review. First result, Robin. Let's search for this shoot review. First result, Robin again. And let's search for commission trooper review. First result, Robin once again. And one more. Let's search for magic funnels review. Same thing again, Robin himself first place. And did you notice we are the second video for those keywords while we are doing a pretty good job when it comes to YouTube SEO. That means that Robin knows far more from us on this aspect. So let's take a look at the sales page first. Are you ready to tap into this 1.8 billion user traffic source? It means YouTube here revealed how they unlocked the free traffic gateway for easy 100 to 300 paydays. I know that $300 per day may sound too much for a newbie, but believe me that with all the training you get with Gateway, it's totally achievable. Step number 1, access the training. Step number 2, unlock the free traffic gateway. Step number 3, start getting loads of free traffic and commissions. And I couldn't agree more actually. Those are the steps. Of course, you have to watch the training and do exactly what you're taught, but once you do, you'll see your first commissions rolling in, guaranteed. And I don't usually use the word guaranteed when I review a product, but this time I use it because I have personal experience on that method and it makes us lots of commissions. So let's jump in the Gateway members area. And as you can see, there are lots of videos. I have watched every single one of them, and I can tell you that no stone is left unturned here. Everything is covered, and the no face, no voice method would be perfect for all the shy guys on YouTube like me, and for all of those not having a great English accent, guess what, like me again. I don't want to reveal all the training for free, of course, as that would be unfair to the creators that have spent time, energy and money to create this great training. And speaking of money, let's see what the pricing and upgrades are, and we'll talk about our bonuses later on. So the front-end training will cost you $9.97. We pay more on Udemy for a training actually. This price is only during the launch, so it would be of your best interest to pick this up ASAP. And I want to highlight this part. Believe it or not, we have figured out a way where you don't have to show your face on camera for the world to see. Upgrade number 1. It costs $37 and it is full of advanced techniques and strategies in order to achieve 10 times better results and 10 times faster. Pick this up if you want to take your business to the next step faster and get your first commissions as soon as possible. Upgrade number 2, done for you buyer traffic. It costs $47 during the launch and $97 later on, and you get to put your links in their members area for thousands of people to see. Personally, I'm a big fan of traffic packages as I am not that good on that aspect of our internet marketing business, and I believe it would be great to have our links inside of those people members area where there will be thousands of eyeballs on your affiliate links or opt-in forms, for example. And upgrade number 3, license rights. You get to sell Gateway as your own product and you can keep 100% of the profit using all of our high quality sales materials. Well, if you don't have the time to create your own that kind of quality product, then go ahead and pick this one up. It costs $97 and you'll break even with just one person who buys the whole funnel through your link, which link, by the way, will be bumped to 100% commissions through the entire Gateway funnel. And now that we've covered the pricing part of our review, let's go ahead and check our exclusive custom-made bonuses. Bonus number 1, license rights for our Kindle Kings course. This is the first time that we are offering license rights for Kindle Kings, and as I said in the video intro, it will probably be the last one. Kindle Kings has produced over 2,600 sales, and you will be able to make up $143 per sale. You will be eligible for 100% commissions through the entire funnel, and as you saw above, the Gateway license rights are selling for $97. Pick Gateway through our link and you'll get license rights to Kindle Kings as well for free. Bonus number 2, Kindle Kings front-end training. The exact blueprint to make more than $1,000 per week on Amazon with almost empty books. Yep, low or no content books. You will learn everything in the members area. Bonus number 3, Kindle Kings Elite Training. Advanced training and tools so that you can outrun your competition and have your books on the first page of Amazon. You're getting over 20 videos covering every aspect of low content publishing on Kindle. So you will learn how to create almost empty books on Amazon that are selling like hotcakes, but can we give you ready-made books? Yes, we can. Bonus number 4, Kindle Kings 101 interiors. 101 done for you book interiors so you can start today and publish your first books straight away. The interiors come in both PDF and Word format for easy editing. And now you have the interiors, but you're missing your book covers, right? Well, not anymore. Bonus number 5, Kindle Kings KDP ATM. 50 done for you book covers so that you can go ahead and create your Amazon book listings now. Plus hot niches report for your books, plus done for you keyword research for those hot niches. And some extra YouTube training. Bonus number 6, YouTube SEO Volume 2 video training. And bonus number 7, YouTube channel SEO video training. It is important to optimize our videos on YouTube, but it's also really important to optimize our YouTube channel as well. Guys, you have a complete business in a box here. Are we crazy offering all those bonuses for free? We probably are, but I will have to tell you though that our bonuses will unfortunately expire once the timer here hits 0. As I said earlier, you can claim all our bonuses by clicking on any of these green buttons here and picking up your gateway copy. All those bonuses will be delivered to you automatically inside your Warrior Plus account, and they will be located under the Access Your Purchase button as shown in this image. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch our gateway review. Talk to you in the next video.